Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this particular video we are going to differentiate this particular function using the concepts of differentiation. So the first rule is that we always assign the given function a variable. So let us say that the value of y is equal to sine of e raised to the power x square. So this is the first substitution that we will be making in this. After this, what we notice is there are basically functions inside one function. So let us suppose that the value of x square is equal to v. Now x square is equal to v, and also the third function, that is e raised to the power x square, is supposed as u. Now since we have already supposed the value of x square as v, so that means this becomes e raised to the power v. And eventually our original question y in terms of x square, this is sine of u. So if you notice, if we want to calculate the value of d by dx of sine x square, what we are essentially looking at is to calculate the value of dy by dx, which can be written as dy by du multiplied by du by dv multiplied by dv by d of x. So all we have to do is just substitute these particular values in this particular equation, and then we'll have our final answer. So let us calculate these values on this side of the equation. So the first thing that we calculate is dv by dx. So the value of v is given as x square. Eventually the value of dv by dx comes out to be 2x. Let us say this is equation number 1. So we have calculated this part of the solution. Now we need to calculate du by dv. So the value of u is equal to e raised to the power v. So if we differentiate it, this will be du by dv, which will be equal to e raised to the power of v, and the value of v technically is x square. So this will be e raised to the power x square. Let us say this is equation number 2. And in the last, we need to calculate the value of dy by du. So the value of y that we have taken out is sine of u. So if we calculate the value of dy by du, that comes out to be cos of u. Let us say this is equation number 3. Now let us substitute these three values in the main equation right here. So that means the value of dy by dx is equal to dy by du. So that is cos u, as from the first equation. Then we have du by dv. Du by dv is e raised to the power x square, and then this is multiplied by dv by dx, which is 2x. Now the value of u technically is e raised to the power x square. So let us resubstitute that. So dy by dx finally comes out to be cos of u. U is e raised to the power x square, so we'll write this as it is. This is multiplied by e raised to the power x square and eventually multiplied by 2x. So this right here is the final answer that we were looking for. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.